Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open the Teams desktop app and join the meeting. Once in the meeting, check devices to select your microphone and camera so audio and video record cleanly. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has recording rights, otherwise the record option won't appear. Notify participants verbally so consent is documented. When everyone's set, click the More Actions menu and prepare to start recording immediately to capture everything from the first moment. Now, configure what you'll capture. Once you click Record, decide whether to enable live transcription for captions and searchable text. This aids later review. If you're sharing a screen or PowerPoint, choose the correct window or screen to avoid exposing unrelated content. Make sure the meeting policy allows cloud recordings and that the meeting organizer's OneDrive or SharePoint destination is set, because Teams saves automatically to the cloud. This ensures permissions and retention settings are applied correctly. To finish, click More Actions and choose Stop Recording when you're done. Teams processes the file in the cloud and notifies attendees in chat. Once processed, open the meeting chat or the organizer's OneDrive/SharePoint folder to locate the recording. Make sure to set sharing permissions appropriately before distributing externally. Change link settings if recipients need view-only access. If the recording fails to appear, check meeting policies and storage quota as a troubleshooting step and retry after addressing those.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.